Hello and welcome back to the Raw Game Development series. Raw Game Development, yeah. Now it's the Raw series of game development with GameMaker. And in this episode, I think I mentioned from the last episode that we were going to look at creating a simple inventory system based on what GameMaker had posted on Instagram from what I can see. So we're going to follow along that and yeah, see how we go. I think in this episode we're going to just be able to show the inventory, so we'll collect items and show the inventory, and in the next episode I'm going to look at how we can use the inventory. So let's get into it. Pretty much the first thing we've done is create 3 different items. So as you can see here, I've got our fire item, our water item, and our earth item. From here I've then exported these out into our folder. And if we go into GameMaker, I've then imported them in as well. So if I go to sprites over here, as you say, I've created this inventory folder and I've got sprite item earth, sprite item fire, sprite item water. Okay, and I've middle centered these two. Then from there, what we're going to do is create, which I've already done some of the work. I've created a parent item, so object underscore item. And then that is parent. If I click parent, it's parent of 3 other items, the earth, water, and fire, or earth, fire, water. So if we go into each one, object item earth, we have a create event. We've got a name variable called earth, and we've assigned the sprite to it. Same with object item fire, same thing, but this name is called fire. And the water, same thing. We've got our sprite water, and we in the create event, we've got our name equals water. So from here, right, that's sort of the basics, the nutshells. Started out, spec'd out. We want to now go to the object player. In the object player, we want to, in the create event, we want to create a bag. So this bag is going to hold our inventory. From there, we want to create a collision event, and this collision event will collide with our object item, so our parent item. What we're going to say in here is we're going to say array underscore push, then bracket bag, and then other dot name. All right, and then we're going to say instance underscore destroy, and other. So we want to destroy not the object player, but the other object that we're colliding with. Then from there, all we're going to do is go into our draw GUI event in here. We're going to add a few lines of code here. So we're going to say a variable item underscore number equals 0. Variable total underscore items, which is going to equal our array underscore length of the bag. And then we're going to go repeat total underscore items. And it's going to run through each item, and we're going to draw underscore text 0 item underscore number, and then a comma, and then one times that by 16, comma, bag, and then parentheses, close parentheses, close bracket, close off the line, then item underscore number plus equals 1. So what we're doing here is we're going to loop through all the items, and for each item we're going to draw the text. We're going to draw the x value, so we might make x equal 150. Yeah, we'll make it equal 150 for now. So that's our x value, and then our y value is going to be whatever the item number is, and then times that by 16. So basically you're going to get, it's going to start at 16, so you're going to item number 1 times 16 equals 16. Item number 2 times 16 will equal 32. And then 3 times that by 16 is, what's that, 12, 16, 32, 42, 48. Okay, and so on. So it's incrementals of 16. So you think the height, that's the y value, remember? So we're going to have 16 on the y value axis, and then down or up another 16, and then another 16, etc. And then we're saying for the bag array, and then whatever the item number is that we're looping through. So because we plus equals the item number after every repeat, every increment. So that's pretty much it. Then all we want to do is go to our room 1, for example, and which I've already done. We want to add each item in here. So as you can see, we've got the fire, we've got the earth, we've got the water. So yes, it's a very simple system in regards to whatever you pick up or collect, it's just going to include it. It's not going to know to, if you pick up the same one, to increase it or anything. It's just going to add it to the list. So if we play this, I'll have a little look to see what we're in for. Basically, I'll pull that over. Here we go. So if we walk along, so we should see somewhere around here. Click it. There you go. Earth, fire, water. Earth again. And then water. And then fire. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So pretty simple. And that's our array. So we don't have to show it, but we will keep it there. So yeah, so that's this episode. In the next episode, we'll look at how we can use these somehow, somewhere. So I'll basically make it that, well, I'm not too sure how I'll make it. But yeah, we might be like a special effect or something like that, etc. So yes, anyway, I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching, and looking forward to the next episode, which will bring a bit of fun, hopefully, for what the items can do in the array. Anyway, enjoy and speak soon.